Boosting Jio 5G speed involves optimizing your device settings, network environment, and usage habits. Below is a comprehensive guide based on proven methods to enhance your Jio 5G internet performance. Always test your speed before and after applying these tweaks using tools like speedtest.net to measure improvements. Number 1. Verify Jio 5G coverage and device compatibility. Point 1. Check 5G coverage. Ensure you're in a Jio True 5G coverage area using the Jio Network Coverage Map on their website or MyJio app. Weak signal areas can drastically reduce speeds. Point 2. Confirm device compatibility. Verify your phone supports Jio's 5G bands N78, N28, N258 via the MyJio app. Update your device's software to the latest version to enable 5G support. Point 3. Activate 5G package. Register for 5G services in the MyJio app. Activation may take up to 24 hours after switching from a 4G SIM. Number 2. Optimize APN settings for Jio 5G. Tweaking access point name, APN, settings can improve speed and stability. Jio's default APN, JioNet, supports both 4G and 5G, but manual adjustments can enhance performance. Steps to configure APN, Android. Step 1. Go to Settings, Mobile Network, Access Point Names, APN. Step 2. Tap the plus icon to create a new APN or edit the existing JioNet APN. Number 3. Adjust network mode. Point 1. Set to 5G only. Go to Settings, Mobile Network, Preferred Network Type and select 5G only to prevent your phone from switching to 4G or 3G, which can slow speeds in weak 5G areas. Point 2. Toggle network. Switch to 3G for 10 seconds, then back to 5G per LTE to refresh the connection. This can stabilize the network. Point 3. Disable auto switching. Turn off automatic 5G per 4G switching to avoid battery-saving modes that prioritize slower networks. Number 4. Improve signal strength. Point 1. Positioning. Place your phone near windows or in open areas to avoid signal interference from walls or metal objects. Remove metal phone cases, as they can disrupt signals. Point 2. Use a signal booster. Consider a JioConnect Outdoor 4G per 5G LTE modem for better signal reception, especially in remote or indoor areas. Point 3. Proximity to towers. Stay closer to Jio 5G towers for higher speeds. Check tower locations via the MyJio app or local network maps. Number 5. Troubleshoot common issues. Point 1. Restart device. A simple restart can fix 80% of connectivity issues. Alternatively, toggle airplane mode on and off. Point 2. Reset APN. If custom APN settings cause issues, reset to default via Settings, Mobile Network APN, reset to default. Point 3. Reinsert SIM. Power off your phone, remove and reinsert the Jio SIM, and restart to fix frequent disconnects. Point 4. Contact Jio support. If speeds remain slow, call Jio's helpline at 199 or use the MyJio app for assistance. They can check for network issues in your area.